friends, I am back, and I am back with another Ipsy Boxycharm unboxing. I don't know if this is my Ipsy Boxycharm. I'll definitely, let's see together. Yes, this is my Boxycharm, and this is for You're the Main Attraction. Excuse me. December Handpicked Faves Power Picks. Yeah, this is for the month of December. So, let's see. This is for the month of December. Okay. Then this is what I get for this, for the covering. So imagine that. Okay, so the first thing I see, let's see. It's funny how they just send me the products, and then they just forget about what's important, which is to protect our stuff. Okay, let me see something here. This is, okay, yes it is. Okay, so they picked for me the Makiage Color Boss Quad. And this is the Color Boss Squad Eyeshadow Palette in Trendsetter. Wow. This is heavy. Yeah, this is very, and I love Makiage, especially their eyeshadows. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. This is beautiful. Yeah, this is beautiful. This is beautiful. And this is something I would take like to travel, so I don't have to travel with a palette, a big palette. This is beautiful. Yeah, this is beautiful. So this is a gorgeous, gorgeous palette. Let me swatch this. Oh, wow, this is silky. Oh, wow, yeah. Let's put it here. Let's put this one next to it right here. Oh, yeah, this is gorgeous. Oh, wow. And this brown right here. Sorry, I didn't swatch that brown. Good. Sorry, in the spot that I did it. And this is the spot where they always take out my IVs and stuff like that. But this is gorgeous, gorgeous. These two colors. They're not that pigmented, I say. They're not that shiny, but they are beautiful. But look at the pigment on my finger. I guess you gotta like, but the palette, this is so heavy. It's like you can chug it at somebody. It is beautiful though, it is. Did I put my palette back? Yes, let me close this. Okay, where did I put my, yeah, so I could clean it. Clean my fingers. Okay, next thing I see, I'm cold. Oh, let me go put on my robe, guys. Give me a second. Okay, I gotta be warm because I get sick quick. Okay, it's pink mist for me. Okay, so well, now we got more Anastasia Beverly Hills. We have Brow Genius Brow Serum, and this was my beauty boost. Okay, so this is the box right here. I'm gonna put it back inside this box because I'm gonna get rid of it. I'm not gonna open it because I'm not gonna start using it as of yet. And I hate when my glasses be down here and I don't lift them up because I don't realize it. So I love the packaging because it's like rose gold. Yeah, I love rose gold and pink. Okay. Then we have Eleman Beauty. Eleman Beauty? Really? Eleman Beauty Duo and the liquid lipstick and lip gloss in Ibiza. I picked this. It says you picked this. Okay, so that's the packaging. Yeah. Okay, so the shade is in Ibiza. It says vegan. Okay. And then it's dual-sided. One side is the lipstick. It's a matte lipstick. And then the other side is the lip gloss. Okay. The lipstick and the lip gloss. And I picked that. Okay. So let's wipe it off before, and it's a matte lipstick. No, I put too much there. Okay, that's a beautiful color. I still have the lipstick from okay, that goes over here. Love that lipstick color, it's beautiful. Then we got, the thing is that it doesn't say prices or nothing. Then we got the Persona. No. It says Rosie by Rosie James. Rosie. Oh, by Rosie. Rosie Travel Spray. Oh, okay. Oh, nice. And it's thick and big. I love it. Let's put you over here. Add-ons. Oh my god. So this is an add-on. And I love it because I can just put this in my, I'm going to put it in my collection right there that I have a whole bunch of little bottles like this. But that one is nice and big. Oh my God. I'm telling you, me with my perfumes. Okay. Now we're going for the Persona Eyeliner Duo in Brown and Plum. Okay, so this one is in brown and this one is in plum. Okay, so we have brown. Oh, beautiful. Love it. Creamy. And in plum. And brown and in plum. Okay, these are eyeliners. Oh, I love that. I have a little bit of problem taking it off. Okay, so that goes over here because I'm going to put it in my eyeliner stash right there. Then we have the Lawrence. I picked that also. The Lawrence Skincare Lip Oil. Yes, because I had my other lip oil there, and my cat, I don't know what he did with it, and he started like playing, chugging it all over the place and lost it. And I love it, this lip oil, because of the doe applicator. Look how thick it is, and this is an applicator. It's thick and big, and it just like just one swipe and one swipe. And I love lip oils, and I know it's around here somewhere, and I've been looking for it and looking for it, and it has to be behind there, but it's hard. It's hard for me. Once I go into the floor, it's hard for me to get up, and my back hurts, and my cat is like a little demon sometimes. Slick Luster Lip Gloss. And I picked that. That was an add-on. And this is from Ace Beautè. And this is Lip Gloss Slick Luster. Okay. And this was an add-on. And the lip oil was an add-on. Very good. Okay, so these I like this. I just put them on top of my vanity. So when I go out, I just put on, and that's it. Then we got the Dermalect Flawless Bakuchiol treatment. I don't know if I butchered that or I don't know, but I chose this. And this is it says Citronal A, ginger root, and green tea, vitamin B5. And this is for the Naturals Retinol Alternative. A sensitive skin, retinol cream targets the look of fine lines and wrinkles. Sorry. Fine lines, dullness, and photo aging. Application gently smooth into cheeks, forehead, neck, and chin. Okay, that's for the face. Good, because I could use this at night. I love using creams at night, like lather my face with creams. Then in the morning, when you wash your face, you feel like a brand new person. And then I got the JLO Beauty that fresh take eye cream, and this was chosen by them. So the JLO Beauty. This I could use in the morning. Okay, so this one these are put in the bathroom. Okay, so that is everything I got for my... This is everything I got in my box for this month. I didn't get no... Well, I did get... Did I get makeup in this one? Let me see. Yeah, I did. I got the Makiage. Eyeliners, lipstick. Yeah, I did. Okay. So I definitely got to circle everything that I got for this box. So like that. Oh, I didn't get the Rem. That's what I was wondering, why I didn't get the Rem Beauty. Okay, so I'm gonna leave it here so I don't make it too long either. Oh no, wait a minute, I have another... I have this one over here, which is add-ons. So we can just do everything now for the add-ons. So then I decided to make another purchase after that. And I purchased, let me see. Yes, I purchased the LYS Secure Skin Gripping Primer, which I love LYS. And this I didn't have. Let's put this on the floor. Where is my slice before I throw it out by mistake? And I picked up this gripping primer from LYS. Okay. And then I picked up from KAB Cosmetics, KAB, a Tinted Lip Oil. Oh my God. This is the box from KAB. And this is the lip oil, which, oh my God. This one I will definitely won't lose. Love it. Love, love, love. I love lip oils like galore. Then I picked up the Pacifica Beauty. And this is Hawaiian Ruby Guava Perfume Hair and Body Mist. And then this one is Hawaiian Ruby in Guava. Let's open it from the bottom. Oh my God. 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 This is going to the bathroom. So after I take a shower, I can just bathe myself in Hawaiian. Okay, so pick that up. And then last but not least, I picked up SLMISSGLAM, which I love her and I follow her, and she does some amazing brushes. Oh my God, she does these amazing brushes, and you guys know I've been collecting her brushes, and I got another order coming in. Oh my god, look at this. Look how luxe. Look how luxe her brushes are. Look at this barrel. Look at this ombre effect. See that? And the bristles are so amazing. And look at this. These are brushes that I don't even want to use so I don't get them dirty, because they're so beautiful. And look, she puts like these gems right there. It's like, who does this? Who does this? And then they pink, my favorite color. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this beauty. Look at this beauty. Look at this beauty. She's, oh my gosh, she's the best. Yes, definitely yes. So this one is, these are all face brushes, but it's just, there's 2 eye brushes and then 3 eye brushes. 3 eye brushes, and then the rest are face brushes. But look at this beauty. Look at this beauty. Oh my god, this is a powder brush. But they all, look at this. These are exquisite brushes. When I saw this, I was like, oh yeah, I gotta get them. But so they don't lose their shape. This is what I'm going to do. I'm going to put them right back because I don't want them to lose their shape, especially the big one. Wait a minute. Just give me a quick second, guys. Yep, you put them to the bottom and you put them right back like they never were touched. But these, oh my god, it's just, that is, I couldn't resist. Look at this. Look at this beauty. Then the pearls are pink. Yeah, I would die. Oh my god. This collection is like, this is to display. This is like brushes that you don't wanna, I have the other brushes which I'll use, but these, I'm gonna display these in a special, I'm gonna buy a pink, something nice pink so I can display them. Because these are brushes that I don't want nobody touching. Yeah, because these brushes are so freaking gorgeous. Because nobody comes to my room, so. But look how gorgeous. This is beautiful. Yeah, she's amazing. Yeah. And then the eye brushes is like, oh yeah, they great. They beautiful, beautiful quality. And then the barrel is like so sophisticated. You feel like rich. Like if you, yeah. Not even the Kardashians. Look at this. Every time they have the drop shop, I always look for SLMISSGLAM. Oh yeah. Every time the drop shop comes out, I go and I look for her brushes. I ordered, I think it's coming anytime soon. I think I got let me see. Because I know I ordered them, so they should be, I know I ordered another thing from her, from the drop shop, and I have definitely got to check to see if they're gonna be coming anytime soon. Give me one quick second. Okay, guys, I was talking to my son and I completely forgot where I was at, so I'm gonna leave it here. So guys, don't forget to like, subscribe, hit that little bell, and I'll see you in my next video. Have a beautiful, blessed night. See you then. Bye-bye.